Number 1, let f of x equal negative 3x plus 2 and g of x equal x squared minus 4. Find each of the following. With these problems, we'll be combining functions using addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. If you look at part A, we want to take f of 2 and we want to add it to g of negative 1. So first of all, f of 2 means I'm plugging in a 2 here for x. So we get negative 3 times 2 plus 2. There's my f of 2. Adding to that g of negative 1, we've got negative 1 squared minus 4. And once you're there, it's just a matter of simplifying. So inside here we've got negative 6 plus 2, and then here we've got 1 minus 4. That gives us negative 4 plus negative 3, and the result is negative 7. With part B, we have the same idea. We're going to start with g of 3. G of 3 is going to be 3 squared minus 4, and that's going to multiply f of 4, which in this case is negative 3 times 4 plus 2. So we're evaluating each function. We're evaluating g at 3, and we're evaluating f at 4, and then we're going to multiply the results. So this is 9 minus 4 times negative 12 plus 2. That's 5 times negative 10, or negative 50. With part C, we're dividing the functions. So g of negative 3 means we're taking the negative 3, squaring it, and subtracting 4, and that's being divided by f of negative 2. We take our function f and plug in negative 2, and it looks something like this. This will give us 9 minus 4 on top, 6 plus 2, to give us 5 over 8. Part D, we're now going to be subtracting these. If you notice, we're not evaluating each function at a specific number. So what we do is we just take the original function f, which is negative 3x plus 2. And from that, we're going to subtract the original function x squared minus 4. So really, this is just a problem where we're subtracting two polynomials. If you remember, this negative here has to get distributed into both terms. So we have negative 3x plus 2 minus x squared plus 4. I'm going to write the negative x squared first because that's the highest degree term, then the negative 3x, and then combine the 2 and the 4 to get 6. With part E, we're taking f of negative 3. So the function f was negative 3 times our x plus 2. And from that, we're subtracting g of 5. And g was the function, take your x and square it, and subtract 4. So simplifying this, we have 9 plus 2 minus 25 minus 4. Here we have 11 minus 25 minus 4 gives me a 21, so we get negative 10. Now go ahead and do parts F, G, H, I, and J.